So let your eyes closed, and you can close your eyes whenever. Okay, thank you. Let your mind review when it needs to lead you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, subconscious mind. Is it okay if I? Okay. Subconscious mind. Show me a yes finger for him. Okay. Thank you. Show me a no finger for him. Just another finger for no. Thank you. Subconscious mind. Is it okay if I continue in French? Okay. Allow him to understand what he needs to understand. Only what is good for him. Ok, donc supraconscient. Tiens, est-ce qu'il y a quelque... Ok, très bien. Supraconscient, je vais quand même continuer un petit peu en français. Juste pour continuer après en non-verbal si c'est nécessaire. Supraconscient identifie tout ce qui a besoin d'être fait dans son intérêt. Ok, très bien. Très très bien. Ok. Est-ce qu'il y a des blocages qui ont besoin d'être travaillés, supraconscient? Ok, très bien. Est-ce qu'on peut utiliser la technique subliminale pour ça, oui ou non? Très très bien. Pour l'instant, ton esprit va juste bloquer ce bras. Très bien. Et comme tout est fait supraconscient et pas avant, tu pourras détendre ce bras. Ok. Supraconscient, est-ce qu'il a besoin de savoir? Enfin, est-ce que c'est utile pour lui de savoir? Ok. Can you send him anything that he needs to know about it? Okay. Do it and let me know when it's done. Okay, thank you. So now, can we continue? Yes or no? Okay. Do everything that needs to be done. Okay. Très bien, supraconscient continue. Avec tous les autres blocages qui ont besoin d'être débloqués. Tout ce qui a besoin d'être fait pour l'aider finalement dans son cheminement, dans ce qui a besoin d'être travaillé, dans ce qui est utile pour lui. Et une fois que tout sera fait, et pas avant, vraiment tu pourras détendre ce bras. Ok. Supraconscient, est-ce que toutes les parties de son être sont en harmonie, oui ou non? Ok. J'aimerais que tu mettes en place une médiation supraconscient pour réunir toutes les parties et les mettre d'accord. Et indique-moi par oui une fois que c'est fait. Supraconscient, est-ce qu'il y a des énergies négatives liées à un niveau quelconque? Ok, est-ce qu'il y a des parties de son être qui ne sont toujours pas d'accord? Ok. Fais tout ce qui est nécessaire pour les rassembler. Ok, très bien. Très bien, permets la guidance de faire une médiation. Très bien. Et maintenant, est-ce que toutes les parties sont d'accord? Très très bien. Maintenant que les parties sont d'accord, est-ce qu'on peut continuer avec tous les blocages, oui ou non? Ok, très bien. So continue when everything is done about it and not before. You can relax the harm superconscious mind and let him know what he needs to know. Only what he needs to know, what's beneficial for him. Thank you. Superconscious mind, can I continue in my mind? Yes or no? Thank you. Okay. Oh. Okay. Uh, and no. Okay. Okay, please do it. And let me know when it's done. Thank you. Okay. Please do it too. And let me know when it's done. Okay. Is everything done about that situation? Yes and okay. Thank you. But okay. So we'll do it. Um, okay. So superconscious mind, do anything that needs to be done for him connect him to anything that's good for him. Okay. Give him as much as understanding that he needs to have. Thank you. Okay. Alex, how do you feel?
Winning.
What?
Winning.
Oh, okay. Okay, so do it, supercautious mind. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Please, superconscious mind. When you're ready, you can let him emerge as his own pace, just for him to be in the best state that he needs to be. So,
Good.
Can you speak French now? Can I sing a Russian song?
Хорошо.
That's good.
so, was it disturbing for you or not?
I don't know. I wasn't really focusing. I don't understand French, so
Okay,
it's sound of background. I don't know.
okay.
I can't say was it this or because any sound, you know, if you just don't want to hear the sounds, you don't hear sounds. So I don't
Okay.
understand French, so it wasn't really affecting me
Okay.
as language. Yeah. Not anyway. If someone tell you something positive or negative, you will respond in positive or negative. But I don't really know what did you tell me? I don't know. Maybe you're saying me cursing on me. I don't know.
No.
No, but I feel good.
Okay, that's the principle. Do you have some questions?
Yeah, what was it about?
I use different techniques. The first part was a non-verbal. It's more like a guidance to let him go into different state through Esdaile and high without saying anything. And after that, I continue to I switch the technique because at first I use my finger as a signal. But after that, I just ask the superconscious mind to show me the responses, the answer on his end. And I continue in nonverbal with just thinking about the questions. And his fingers were moving great, so I continue. I wanted to show you that we can do it in different language. It's not about the language. It's more about the presence, the intentions, and the superconscious mind can understand the intentions. And that went great, and I wanted for him to have something that will help him in different in different state, not only hypnosis but in his whole life. And it went great. It has blockage and stuff like this, but it went great.
When his used the pinky fingers coming up.
Often, when there's something like this, there's other stuff that needs to be addressed, or other questions. It's it's like you ask yourself, do you want some water or do you want some coffee? And the answer is neither the coffee or the water, but you want something to drink. There's something else that needs to be asked. And superconscious mind don't want to answer